I have baked 3 breads. I will show you. One dough for a plain white bread, and then whatever I could find at home, I made 2 small special breads. I got round containers, so I made ball bread or boule, as we say in French. So first I took 3.5 cups of flour. This is a white flour. Then almost water, 1.5 cups. Yeast, I used 1 packet of yeast. This is all to make 1 loaf of bread. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Some salt, again 1.5 teaspoon. And oil, I used 1 teaspoon of oil. I used half cup of milk, and of course I had measuring cup, and I've made a dough out of it. Of course I used a mixer initially, but then I sort of kneaded it with my hands, and I have this dough which I have set to raise. I've also put some raisins in it, and some chocolate powder also I've put in that. So I think I'll leave it for 1.5 hours. So you see the dough has risen so much. One, I will make multigrain bread, in which I have used these nuts, multiple grains. I mean, I had muesli at home, and this art on salad which has multiple grains. Basically, it has oats, sunflower and pumpkin seeds, and some buckwheat. And another bread I will make is with chocolate. So I had this chocolate flakes and powder. So I've taken 4 teaspoons of chocolate. And on that I will also sprinkle a little bit of coffee granules just to get the flavor and the aroma. But I need to get the gluten out, because I will leave it again for raising for some time. I will set it to rise further for some half an hour before it will go into the oven. So I'm putting it some dry flour, and this is something which I've already done it. Again, let me give it one more. And this will go. And so the 2 small breads that I'm making, one will be multigrain. I will put all these grains in this and mix it, and the other one would be chocolate. So I put these grains, as I mentioned. This is what I got from muesli, which has oats and pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. I'm just putting them all inside. So in this one I have put multiple grains from muesli and this salad grains, and I'm now going to put it in this will make a small bread, or like a bun. I already put some white. This goes in here, and now in the other one I will put chocolate. I will spread it and then knead it again. I will do it in 2 layers so that it is spread evenly. So now some more chocolate here. Some people like it all over, some people like more, some people like less. Okay. So suppose about 2 tablespoons of chocolate. So this is my plain bread. I just put some cashew. This is a multigrain bread and nuts. And this one is the chocolate bread I've made. I've put chocolate as I've shown. And on top of it, I'm sprinkling some coffee seeds. Okay, you'll say what coffee will do here, but just people will not know whether it is coffee or chocolate, but it will give that aroma and the flavor. So some coffee seeds I have put on that. And so I have now 3 breads, and this will go here, sit here. I will let it rise for another half an hour. Then this will go into an oven. So now 3 breads are ready to go into the oven. And it closes for half an hour. So these breads are inside getting baked. Just 2 minutes ago they were put in. We'll see after half an hour. So now these breads have been in the oven for half an hour. Temperature it was 200, then I reduced it to 180, and they must be all ready. Oh, the nice aroma, we can, this thing. Let me take them out. This is the small chocolate bread. This is the plain loaf with some cashews. So our breads are ready. Okay, so I think in half an hour they have cooled. Now we will take them out. I think these containers are very easy to take them out. Just sort of open it and it comes out. This loaf of bread, and then these two small ones. This is the chocolate one, and this is multigrain and the nuts. Okay, so we have 3 eggs. They look, not only look very good, I hope they'll be very tasty. You should try whatever you have at home. When you make dough, make more amount of the dough. One is for the plain, and the other, whatever you have, you want to put it for chocolate, your nuts, whatever you want, whatever you fancy, try out different things. Thank you. Hello, I hope you'll enjoy and make new breads as good looking and as tasty as I am. Go. So let us see how this has turned out to be. Oh, yes, looks good. This is our white loaf, and this one is also multi-grain bread. Good. And this is our chocolate bread. You can see the chocolate inside. Okay, yum.